Hi, Gary Cooper here from Square 3 Photography. I am really excited for this one because I know this is going to look amazing when we show you how we created this photo. So today I want to talk about repetitive patterns, something again which you might just miss because you're not focused on the attention to detail, which is what this week is all about. So with repetitive patterns, they could be anywhere. It could be on wallpaper, it could be things you make, it could be that you line up a set of coasters and there's a nice bigger pattern that wasn't there originally. But today I struggled to find something which had a nice repetitive pattern, and then it hit me. It didn't hit me that hard, but I found this glass. Where is the glass? I found this, and you can already see how nice and shiny this is. Look at that. That is going to make a fantastic photo, and it's a repetitive pattern. You can't argue with that. So today I'm going to use this glass and its repetitive pattern to take an amazing photo, and I can't wait to share it with you. So let's go and have a look how we're going to do it. Okay, so this is the one that I'm really excited for. So we are looking at repetitive patterns, and I could not find anything that was really repetitive which looked good enough to photograph for this example. And then I came across these cups and they were mesmerizing. I'm looking forward to doing a full-on creative photo video for you guys, but let's have a look. So we've got two cups here, and we've actually got two things set up in these cups, which is how we're going to create something really amazing using repetitive patterns. So if we have a look, let's go with this one first. If we have a look inside, we've got a bit of jewellery. Look at that for a photo. That is amazing. Using the rule of thirds, and we're right in there. Even you can centre this one up right in the middle, and that just looks awesome. From another point of view, and obviously the thing to bear in mind is your hand placement. You kind of got this as well. And people aren't going to realise that's in a cup until they've overanalyzed the image. In this particular one, I've attached some jewellery, and we are going to, hopefully, if this works, yes, there we go. I'm going to hold this up, and again, it's all about making sure your hand placement isn't in the way of this. What we're now going to do is just hold this so it's up here. There it is. Stop, 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 stop. Cool. So there you go. Hope you agree that that is probably the best photo we've taken so far on Take Better Photos with your mobile phone. I love it. Who would have thought putting jewellery in a cup and just seeing how that impact came about, and that's all taken with your mobile phone. So I love it. Remember though, you can use in the same way the repetitive pattern can be used like that with the product in there. If you've got a big enough repetitive pattern, you can obviously put a person there. That could be interesting to see. But also with repetitive patterns, you could just take a photograph of it and make it like a texture, which becomes a background that you use. I've seen some amazing wallpaper in some offices when I've gone out and done photos for corporate clients, and having a photograph of them, which then you create that into a background which is used on your social media. It can really connect people from when they see stuff online about you or on print media, and then when they come and visit you at your office and they can make that connection. There's one particular person I can think of who, if they've got the same wallpaper in their home office as what they have at the main office, and that actually just means their clients don't know whether they're talking to them from the home or the office. So it's just about that familiarity of keeping things consistent and using repetitive patterns to your advantage. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Sorry about the overexcitement. I think it's a blinding photo. So it's Gary Cooper from Square 3 Photography. helping you to take better photos with your mobile so that you can continue to create content for your business with the use of your mobile phone. Take care. Bye bye.